Identity confirmed. Proceed to X-ray.
Gate opening. Second layer secure.
Easy now. Keep it straight.
K9 clear. Leveler engaging. Secure the bay door.
Check the access logs on the secondary firewall.
I see it. It looks like a concentrated probe from the outside.
The digital map shows heavy activity in Zone 4. Our strategy is a direct approach. Utilize.
All right, everyone, listen closely. We have a confirmed breach on the lower level. Delta Squad, you're with me. Weapons free on my command. Let's move.
Utilizing 18-inch reinforced concrete and seismic base isolation, the structure is secured by 20.
It's a precisely engineered substrate, manufactured from 75% cotton and 25% linen.
The Dandy roll cylinder presses the watermark into the wet paper, creating varying thickness. This traditional security
Verification complete. All units accounted for.
Confirmed. Apply the seals. We move in 90 seconds. Command, this is Sierra 1. Road conditions are clear. Maintaining speed. All systems green.
We collaborate, create features that are beautiful, complex, and nearly impossible to counterfeit.
The traditional engraving.
master engravings must be transformed into production printing plates capable of printing millions of notes. Through siderography, a
We need that replacement plate immediately. Expedite testing on the new die now. We can't afford any more downtime.
Currency printing begins with offset lithography, the same process used for high-quality commercial printing, but with extraordinary.
Now comes the signature process that makes U.S. currency unique, intaglio printing. Using plates
As you can feel here, genuine antithesis.
After the back design has dried for 72 hours, sheets return to intaglio presses for the most critical step.
Powders. At 400x magnification, thousands of individually engraved lines create these tonal gradations. The three-dimensional
Under ultraviolet light, the embedded security thread fluoresces a bright, distinct pink, revealing the microprinted text USA 100.
The OCIS system analyzes each sheet at microscopic resolution, comparing 125.
Check station 7, the alignment is slightly off.
Rerunning the calibration sequence now.
The X-bar chart shows a significant shift in ink density. We need to initiate a root cause analysis immediately before this impacts the entire run.
Every United States dollar bill must be absolutely unique, identified by its own serial number. The CO...
Look here, KB123456788A is showing a red flag in the database.
Yes, I see the duplicate. Initiating verification protocol immediately.
Monitor the serial tracking on the Chicago $20 run. We need real-time verification of the GH series.
The sheets finally transform into real United States dollar currency. Massive, high-speed guillotine cutters slice...
Automated stack loading station preparing 100 sheet stacks of US dollar overprint sheets. Pneumatic jog.
Vertical cutting station transforming strips into individual United States dollar bills. Slow motion capture of the blade separating 2 US dollar notes for the very first time.
High-speed counting system verifying quantities of freshly cut US dollar bills. Bills move at 1,200 notes per minute through dual counting sensors.
Secure waste collection system capturing trimmings from US dollar bill cutting. Vacuum network transports cut-edge scraps to a protected destruction area.
Final inspection tunnel analyzing individual US dollar bills under backlit conveyor lighting. High-speed cameras detect off-center cuts. Incomplete...
Security Operations Center monitoring every area of the U.S. currency vault. Dozens of surveillance feed ensure...
Control, this is Unit 4. K9 sweep of Sector 2 complete. All secure.
That team, I'm free to lead now.
Airlock sealed. Proceed with transfer.
Digital chain of custody verified. Cleared for departure.
We are transporting high-value cargo. Stick to the randomized routes and maintain radio silence. Check your comms now.
This is the secure movement of America's currency in action.